Crash course on Portugal. Local customs and etiquette. Understanding the local customs and etiquette is essential when visiting Portugal, as it helps travelers navigate social interactions and shows respect for the country's cultural norms. Portugal has its unique set of customs that shape daily life and social interactions. Let's explore some interesting stories, examples, and the top 12 attractions related to local customs and etiquette in Portugal, offering insights into the country's cultural fabric. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Muito Obrigado. Portuguese people are known for their warmth and hospitality. A simple thank you in Portuguese, Muito Obrigado or muita obrigada, for females, goes a long way in expressing gratitude and acknowledging the locals' generosity. 2. Kissing on the cheek. When greeting friends or acquaintances, it is customary to exchange kisses on the cheek. The number of kisses varies by region, ranging from 1 to 3. Follow the lead of the locals to avoid any awkward moments. 3. Saudade. The Portuguese word saudade holds deep cultural significance. It refers to a feeling of longing, nostalgia, and a mix of emotions that often accompanies memories or a sense of absence. It is a concept intricately woven into Portuguese culture and can be heard in the soulful melodies of fado music. Top 12 attractions of local customs and etiquette. 1. Portuguese mealtime etiquette. Embrace the local dining customs by appreciating the importance of family-style sharing, saying bom appetite, enjoy your meal, and avoiding starting eating before the host or saying com licença, excuse me, when leaving the table. 2. Fado houses, Lisbon and Coimbra. Immerse yourself in the soul-stirring melodies of fado, Portugal's iconic music genre, by visiting traditional fado houses in Lisbon and Coimbra, where you can witness powerful performances and experience the heartfelt emotions of the singers. 3. Festas and processions. Joining local festivities and processions provides a glimpse into Portugal's religious and cultural heritage. From the Grand Romaria de Nossa Senhora de Gonia in Viana do Castelo to smaller village celebrations, these events showcase the country's customs and traditions. 4. Market etiquette. When visiting local markets, such as Mercado de Ribeira in Lisbon or Bolhão Market in Porto, it is customary to greet the vendors with a polite bom dia, good day, or boa tarde, good afternoon, and maintain a respectful demeanor while browsing or making purchases. 5. Respect for religious sites. When visiting churches or religious sites, it is important to dress modestly and speak softly to show respect for the sanctity of these places. 6. Beach culture. Portuguese beaches are beloved gathering spots, where locals enjoy sunbathing and socializing. Respect beach etiquette by using designated paths to access the beach, cleaning up after yourself, and following local regulations. 7. Portuguese politeness. Politeness is highly valued in Portuguese society. Use polite phrases such as por favor, please, and com licença, excuse me, when interacting with locals, and be prepared for warm and friendly exchanges. 8. Portuguese punctuality. While Portuguese people value punctuality in professional settings, social gatherings are often more relaxed in terms of timing. Arriving a few minutes later than the stated time is generally acceptable. 9. Hand gestures. Be mindful of hand gestures, as cultural interpretations can vary. The OK sign formed by forming a circle with the thumb and index finger is considered vulgar in Portugal, so it's best to avoid using it. 10. Tile painting. Participate in tile painting workshops to learn about the art of azulejos and create your own masterpiece. It is a hands-on experience that allows you to appreciate this cherished Portuguese art form. 11. Visiting monuments. When visiting historical sites and monuments, such as castles or palaces, it is customary to listen to tour guides and follow instructions regarding photography, touching artifacts, and respecting the surroundings. 12. Festa do Avante, Sagzal. This cultural festival offers an opportunity to immerse yourself in Portuguese traditions, music, and arts, fostering cross-cultural understanding and appreciation. Summarizing this writing, Portugal's local customs and etiquette are an integral part of the country's cultural fabric. From expressing gratitude with muito obrigado to embracing the emotions of saudade, understanding these customs enriches the travel experience. Exploring fado houses, joining festive processions, and respecting local traditions contribute to a deeper connection with Portugal's cultural heritage. Now, let's end this crash course on Portugal with a poem. In Portugal's land, customs weave. Etiquette and warmth, hearts receive. Kissing on cheeks, greetings unite. Saudade whispers, in melodies takes flight. Portuguese dining, family style share. Fado houses emotions, hearts laid bare. Festas and processions, traditions unfold. Market greetings, politeness in words told. Beach culture's joy, sand and sun. Politeness's charm, connections begun. Tile paintings art, hands create. Monuments respect, history elate. Festa do Avante, a cultural delight. Portugal's customs, a beautiful sight. Embrace the customs, etiquette's grace. In Portugal's embrace, find your place. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.